Welcome back to Bit Learning. So in today's video lecture I'm going to tell about group by clause. In my earlier videos I have already uploaded several videos regarding to this MySQL basic concepts, and it's very good for beginners, so you can check the playlist. I will give the link in description box. You can check that from also. Okay, and let's take to the today's lecture. So this group by clause basically we use to collect the data from the multiple records, and we can group by in a single column and in result one after another, and it's generally used with select statement. And also we can use this command, this select statement. In select statement we can use multiple this column name, and based on that we can also group that data. Okay, and in aggregate function also we use this group by clause. Basically we use this group by clause with aggregate function. Okay, so I will take one example from count also, and will show you one small example so that you can get to know like how it's working. Basically there are a lot of things that we can do from this group by clause, but in this video lecture I'm just discussing about the basic concepts, like how a person can explain the group by concept clause. If anyone in interview are asking like what is the group by clause, how we can use it, what is the use of it, why it is used. Okay, so this is the basic thing I'm gonna cover in this video lecture. Okay, so for this I'm using this student table, where you can see there are a lot of data here like student ID, and you can see also there is some duplicate data is also here. Okay, and 6 record is also duplicated. So based on this record we are going to use the group by clause, and we are going to see like what is the output we are expecting and what is the output we are getting. Okay, so let's suppose that I have told you like in count function also, like count or some this aggregate function also we can use. So let's suppose currently I'm excluding this, let's remove it. Okay, I'm removing it. Then select city, a roll number from student, group by roll number. I'm just grouping it by roll number. Okay, so when you will do it, so what will happen, first it will select city and roll number from a student. So this city and roll number will come up from this whole table. Okay, these two column only you can see, and it will be grouped by what, roll number. All the same roll number will be at the same place. So when we'll execute it, you can see like 101 is ABC, 102 this one, 103, 105, 108. So you can see this, it is arranged by roll number column. Okay, if it is confusing and if it is not clear, then in this case what we can use this count function, so that the thing will more clear. Let me explain you. Okay, so what we are doing here, first we are doing the count of a student ID. So first what we'll do, we'll do the count. So whatever the count will be there now, it will show you the count of student ID. Okay, this. Okay, and then we'll execute it. So what it will do, it will show you the student ID, how many records are there from the student ID count. So there are 14 records in our table. We can see, right? So we can get that the total record is 14, and we have used that count of a student ID from a student roll number, group by roll number. So what it will do, it will count the student ID, and we have to give the roll number here. And when it will execute this command, then it will show you the count of 101, and that is one count. Whatever the roll number we have, because we are grouping it by roll number, so this thing will come here, and whatever the respective count of this roll number, that will show here. So for 101 we have one record, 102 we have one record, 103 we have one record, likewise, and 108 we have 5 records. As I said, like there are many multiple records, that is duplicated. There are 3 and 2 5. So we can see this 5 count is here, 3 is here. Okay, so I think it is clear. Like 106, you can see this is the 106. So one record is here and 2 record is here. So you can see the record is coming like this. So I think this thing is clear. I know it is bit confusing, but trust me, when you will execute it and when you will write the command from your own this thing will more clear. So for that, I mean, whenever the interview will ask this question, you can say like this is the group by clause is used basically to arrange the column in a same order, and we can use it with the aggregate function like count, sum, min, max, average. These are the aggregate function, and based on this we can use. So it's like, it's not only that we can only use two columns, we can use also multiple column here. Like here we can use the city also, we can use. Let's suppose I'm using this city, okay, and we can also group by this with city and a roll number also. So based on this grouping, it will show you the records. Like you can see, like roll number and city is there, so this count is 1, rest is 5. So I mean the same thing it have shown, just the city we have included here, and that also we are grouping with the city column, so it is displaying in the result also. Okay, so I think it's clear. If it is not, then you can comment me. I will definitely try to explain it in another way. But trust me, when you will execute it from your own system and with your own set of commands, then it will be more clear to you. Whatever I'm teaching here, it is basically a basic skeleton. You have to practice and then you can get to know like how these things are working. Okay, so I think this thing is clear. Still, is there any doubt, you can comment me. Stay tuned with me, and thanks for watching. Thank you.